Just my favorite time of the morning over here in the big garden. I come over here every day to check everybody out, see how they're doing. Oh, look at that. Look at that little flower on the eggplant. Got some more little buds right there. Oh, here's another one. Like they're all just flowering up. Soon we'll have little eggplants to go with the little tomatoes that we've got. This time of morning when the dew is still on the leaves. Corn. So beautiful over here. It's so quiet in this area over here where I have all the little beds. Look at those beans, and they've got their little flowers all coming up too. And look at the little fly. And somebody's been chewing away at that. Yesterday I was on my way over here and there were two little wild rabbits that went jumping away and off into the wooded area. Everybody looks good this morning. They're happy looking. Got a new little sprig here on the ice cream banana. Isn't that delightful? I just love it over here.